Dudes, it's California. But today we're making explosions and stack the states too. So I'm just gonna sit down right here. Let's get going. Well, look, it's my friend, Colorado.
It's Colorado. Hey, what up, California?
Dude, because I'm all the way down here, the sharks are gonna start eating me.
Whoa!
Whoa, look at Nebraska. Yes, Nebraska. How y'all doing?
Tennessee! Whoa! Oh, woo! That was wild. Aloha! Says Hawaii. Whoa! And I'm gonna lift Tennessee up. Hey, what?
Come on, Ethan. It's 10:28.
Yeah. Okay, I don't really like this. Oh, dude, it's New York. I'm going here. Whoa! Whoa! Hey! I don't like being shook around.
It's South Dakota.
Ah! Whoa! Ah! I'm being lifted up. Dude, there's a seagull on me. And the sharks are biting me.
Oh, it's Minnesota. I'll help with the explode. Whoa!
Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Look at South Dakota!
Hey, it's Florida. How about South Dakota? There we go. Boom. Wow! Oh, man. Oh, look at that.
Yo. East New Hampshire. I'm gonna be here. Whoa!
Oh, hey, guys, just don't let me in New York fall under the water.
Dude, the water's warm, Minnesota.
It's South Carolina. Eat. Here we go. Oh no. Aloha. Yeah, don't worry, Minnesota. My waters are always warm.
Yes, Missouri. I'm gonna break you all up. Whoa.
Oh, hey. We're really close to the water.
Man, the view is really nice up here. Whoa.
We're spinning.
I'm North Carolina. I'm gonna be in here too. Whoa! Hey! Where are you taking me? Missouri, stop! Let's go to rodeo, Hawaii. Here we go. It's Arkansas. I'm gonna let you go into the water. Oh, New York, terrified. Whoa! Hey, I'm upside down now.
Oh, hey. Check it out. I'm upside down now with North Carolina. It's New Mexico. Oh, I'm gonna be down there too.
Hey, Missouri? Woma. Oh, man.
It's Nevada.
Yo, it's Nevada. I'm gonna be here too. I'm gonna go right here.
Oh, wow. He just went totally under the boat.
Hawaii. Yo, Hawaii. What?
You don't have to be afraid of the waters. They're actually quite warm. Oh, okay. Hey, there's Alabama. Whoa! Oh no! Oh man, California's shaking.
Well, I know, man.
Hey, it's Indiana. I'm gonna be in it too. Whoa! Ah! Ah! Whoa, man, look at that. It's Mississippi. Here we go. Whoa! Ah! What are you doing? Ow! Stop! Stop kicking me! What's going on? I made Alabama spin. I'm getting dizzy. It's Vermont. On top with you. Whoa! Whoa! Hey! Hey, Florida! Who's kicking me?
Ohio. Oh. Whoa. What are they doing?
Oh! It's Marilyn the Crab. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Hey! What's going on?
Whoa, man, look at that. Dude, that's so cool.
It's Illinois. Oh man, they're both spinning. Whoa! Hey, look at that. I am butt wiggling.
Whoa, man, look at that.
Eee.
So is Michigan.
Whoa. Oh, why are we bouncing off of Florida?
Oh,
Arr! Oh man, that must have been a painful death for Minnesota. Yahoo! Texas! Wah! Ah! Oh, what is going on? The crab doesn't like this. Florida's gonna be here the whole time. It's me, mine. I'm going here too. Whoa! Wah! Wah! Ah! Ah! Oh! Hey, Louisiana! Oh man, look at us! Oh yeah! Wah! Oh, Oklahoma. Anybody want to hear my song? Wah! Oh no! Wah! Wah! Yahoo! I'm out! Ah! Yeah! Georgia! What is going on here? Whoa! Ah! Whoa! What's going on? I don't like this. What was that? Oh, I got wrong out. It's Connecticut. Whoa! Wah! Oh! 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 I'm so close. Oh! Wee. Montana! Whoa! Boom. Dude, this is so cool! You're me, Massachusetts. Ah! Oh man, this is gonna be a big explosion. It is Kentucky.
Turned off it.
Wow!
Come on, people.
Whoa! Hey, Montana, what we doing?
It's me, Jersey. Whoa, 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 yahoo! Oh man, I think they're gonna explode. Yeah, that's right. We are, boy.
This Rhode Island. How y'all doing? Wow! I'm sitting on top of New Jersey. Whoa! Whoa! I am the flashing state. Oh, never mind. Whoa!
Yahoo!
It's Virginia. Here we go.
Whoa! Yo, look at this one. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Look at this. Here we go. Yee! Hey, just don't knock me off. Oh God. Yeah! No! I missed it! Yee! Look. Hey, California! Really?
Man, that was a lame explosion.
Just North Dakota.
Whoa!
Yes, Wisconsin. Whoa! Whoa! Look at how much we're shaking. Dude, look at that! Delaware just went flying! Yo, Adrian! I did it! Whoa! Oh, God! Yo, I almost made it fall into the water. Yo, Crumb's gonna get you, man. Well, I don't think so.
Yeah, Utah. It's Utah.
Wow! Yo, he just disappeared.
Uh-oh. California's freaking out again. And we're just shaking.
Washington! Whoa! Yo, thank God Washington went down there. Yo, Adrian! I did it! I'm here! It's my clone! Hey, yo, my clone! Pennsylvania! You in Pennsylvania! Whoa! Whoa! Yo, man, you get over there. Whoa! Wow! Whoa! Wyoming. I'm gonna get involved in this too. Whoa! Whoa! California's making us bounce all over the place. Yo, dude, I want to explode.
It is Oregon. There we go.
Whoa, yo! Hey, this could be a good explosion.
I know, right? Whoa, we're about to need even more. This could get ugly.
Oh man, this is gonna be a big one.
Gee, Georgia wants to see it too. Hey, this is Alabama. How y'all doing? Oh. Man, I used to be really good at making explosions.
Oh, will anyone else make it stop shaking? Oh, I just want my clone to die. Oh man. Yeah, big Alaska. Ha! Ah! Ah! Whoa! 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 Ah! 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 Ah!
What? Aloha! What's going on, Alaska?
Oh, yo!
Hey, this is Indiana. Wow!
Yeah, Alaska, what's going on in the water?
It is Delaware. Whoa! 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 Ah!
Man!
That was like barely even any states and they just exploded like that. They went flying in the air.
Oh, I missed it, dude.
Oh, hi, Colorado.
Hey, what's up, Hawaii? Here's Arkansas. Look over here.
Hey, I'm upside down now. I cannot believe I survived that big explosion. What?
Yo, New Jersey. Whoa. Here's Missouri. Whoa.
Oh! Whoa!
Where's West Virginia?
Whoa!
Oh.
East Utah, I'm back. Wow!
Yo, we're spinning. East Illinois. Whoa.
Just second Hawaii.
Yo, dude, it's New York. Whoa.
There's Kentucky. Whoa!
Whoa, I'm free. Whoa. Ooh, I'm West Virginia.
Oh yeah, Minnesota's back. And it's ready to explode.
Whoa. Yo, what's going on over here? How come anybody's not going into me?
Because you're not that explosive state.
Whoa. 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 Man, Arkansas tried to hold on. I mean, New York. I don't know why I said myself. That was stupid of me. No one ever says that.
What?
A lot of those states bordered the Mississippi River. Dudes, it's California. Oh! I was the first state here.
Ooh, what's up? Oh.
It's Nevada. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, wow! Nevada did some serious damage.
Alright guys, we're almost about to end this episode of explosions.
Oh! Whoa, dude! Whoa! Oh, north, oh! Why am I sinking?
Why am I sinking?
East Montana. I'm gonna go way down here.
Ah, yeah! Thank you.
Whoa! 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 Oh! Oh!
Yeah!
Whoa! Whoa! Yo, dude, California.
Here's New Hampshire. What?
I got both of you connected.
What?
Yo, Adrian! It's Pennsylvania here. Whoa, we're bouncing.
Mississippi.
Oh, yo, that was sick.